Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. To get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, find the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me is located right on the first page, right over here. Once you see the toggle for you on your phone, you want to hold it the first time, and this will quickly take you to the settings. Here, you can go over all the settings, customize them to fit your needs, but I'll be only talking about a couple of them. So, number one, we have things like the schedule. This allows you to select a fully automatic schedule, set the day of the week, start and end time, and this will then enable and disable the hotspot at the set times and days of the week. Now, if you're planning to use it, just make sure that it is toggled on in here like so. And additionally, you can obviously create multiple and have multiple running at the same time. Going back, we have duration for quick settings, and this will define what happens when you manually turn it on with the toggle and the notifications. By default, it is set to run until you turn it off, and that is probably not the best option. I personally like to select it on a timer and make it something like 4 hours, and then whenever I toggle it on manually, it will run for exactly 4 hours, at which point it's going to automatically turn off. So if I forget about it, I don't need to worry that it is running in the background till I remember to turn it off. That is a good thing, in my opinion, to have enabled. And last thing will be the people you can select who can call you and message you. You do also have the addition to allow repeated callers under calls specifically. Anyway, once everything is set, you can close this and you don't ever have to go back there again. Then find the toggle and simply tap on it. Now in Motorola, when you have a timer set, like I do, the 4-hour one, it tells you till what time it's going to be running till, which is also a pretty nice thing. And obviously once you're done with it, you can tap on the toggle once more to disable it. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.